Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 115 of 1000. So hey, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's really good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. That's right, join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the following. I'm going to share my day 115 portfolio with you. I'm going to have a look at the NASDAQ and the Tesla charts to see where the price may be headed to. And I'm also going to have a look at the RSI, MACD and candlestick patterns to see what might happen next. So let's get into it. So it's day 115, it's the 17th of April 2022. I've got two portfolios, Portfolio A and Portfolio B. In Portfolio A, I've just got over 124 shares. In Portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So that's day 115. So in total, I hold 215, just over 215 shares in Tesla. My ambition is to reach 300 shares in Tesla. I'm 71.66% of the way there. My next milestone is to get to 220 shares. I'm expecting a drop in price, which is when I'm going to try and purchase more. But I'm dollar cost averaging every time I have the opportunity. So I'm going to get to 300, hopefully sooner than later. So that's the total number of shares that I hold in Tesla. So what's been happening to Tesla? So it's day 115 of 1000. It's Sunday. The market closed on Friday and the price was $985. So if I multiply that by the number of shares that I hold, which is just over 215 shares, I have a portfolio value of $211,778.63. So remember, at its peak, my portfolio was around $250,000. At its, trough, it was around $165,000. So it is a big fluctuation. So with Tesla, it's not going to be plain sailing. It's not just going to go upwards. There's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. You're going to have to be wary, and you're going to have to get used to the volatility. So I'm not too concerned. I've got my eyes on the long-term goal, which is 1000 days, and my price target is around 3,400. So I've got my eyes firmly on my long-term target. I'm going to keep this for at least 1000 days. And if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1000 days. So that's day 115 of 1000. So let's get into the technical analysis now. So here is the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So as you can see, there's been a lot of weakness in the market. If I zoom into it, you'll be able to see that the NASDAQ has fallen to around the 13,350 level. So there is a solid support there, but it has broken the MA50 level, and the MA50 is below the MA200. So it is in bearish territory. The next price level it could go down to is around 13,000, and then after that 12,600. So just to recap, the Qs have retraced down to 13,350 level. The index has also broken the MA50 level. If there is more fear and uncertainty in the market, the index could drop to 13,000 and then down to 12,600. So again, if you have money on the sides, these are great buying opportunities. The NASDAQ is not going to go much lower than this. If it does, just keep on buying more. You know the history of the stock market. It will eventually go up. So if you can buy during these great dips, it's a great opportunity for you to build long-term wealth. So that's the NASDAQ 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the Tesla 1-year chart now. So as you can see, the price is hovering around the 1000 level. It looks as though it's broken the 1000 level support. So it could go down to 926 now, which coincides with the MA50 level, and if it breaks that, it's going to go down to the next support level, which is at around 900 to 890, which also corresponds with the MA200 level. So again, there is weakness with Tesla stock at the moment, but it is a great buying opportunity. A lot of investors are afraid that Elon Musk could take his eyes off the ball if he takes over Twitter, but I don't think that's the case. Tesla is on such a run at the moment. I don't think anything's going to stop it at the moment. So these are fantastic opportunities for me, a long-term investor, to try and accumulate more shares in Tesla. So just to summarize, Tesla is now hovering around the 1000 support level. Price has broken the 1000 level, so it could be headed down to the MA50 level, which is at 926, and then the MA200 level, which is at 890. There is weakness in the stock market and uncertainty around how the Twitter takeover will affect share price for Tesla. So again, like I said, I'm trying to buy as much as possible. I'm going to keep dollar cost averaging into Tesla shares. I'm going to buy more when it dips more. So that's my plan at the moment, and I know over the long term I will be rewarded for buying these dips. So this is the Tesla 1-year chart. So let's have a look at the RSI analysis for Tesla now. So as you can see, the RSI is hovering around the 50 level. There is no, there is uncertainty in the market. It has been going down from 70 to 50, so it could go down more. So it's good to watch the RSI level. If it starts to dip more, then there's going to be weakness in the price, and the price is going to go head down further to the MA50 level and possibly the MA200 level. So again, these are great buying opportunities. So just keep an eye on RSI to see if it's going to be bouncing back or if it's going to be falling further, providing you with more great buying opportunities. So that's the RSI analysis for Tesla. Let's have a look at the MACD analysis now. So as you can see, the black line has crossed under the red line, which means it's a bearish signal, and the histogram is going lower and lower. It's currently around the minus 13.794 level. So again, the lowest point is under minus 20, so it could go down even further. So it's, watch this space. I think it's going to go down to the MA50 level and then possibly the MA200 level, and again it's going to try and bounce back from there. So that's the MACD analysis for Tesla. Let's have a look at the candlestick analysis now. So as you can see, the last candlestick looks like a hammer. It is a potential reversal signal, so it depends on how the market is going to open next week. If it opens up buoyantly, then it could go up. If it doesn't, then it could go down. Tesla could go down to the 926 level, which is the MA50 level. So again, if you have money on the side, this is a great opportunity to establish a position or even buy more shares in Tesla. So that's the Tesla candlestick analysis. So what are the key points to remember? So Tesla, as you know, has been on a fantastic run all the way from 700 to 1150. That's over 60% increase from recent lows. Now what I think is happening is price is taking a breather as the market corrects over fear of interest rate hikes, and there is uncertainty regarding the Twitter takeover. So again, all this uncertainty, all this fear is a great buying opportunity. So you have to really train your mind. When there is fear and uncertainty in the market, just go out shopping for great opportunities. So the second point to remember is MACD has crossed under. So, there is weakness in the price. Tesla is most likely to fall to the MA50 level, which is around 920, and then the MA200 level at 890. Again, these are fantastic buying opportunities. If you believe in this company, this is the time to buy, because, it's dipped, it's at great levels, and these are like fantastic buying opportunities. Finally, the RSI is near the 50 level, so it's balanced between the overbought and oversold, but there is a bias towards the overbought, which means price may be going down. So I'm still in accumulation mode. So those are the key points to remember. So what are my buying levels? So again, keep your buying levels with you so you know what points to buy. So my buying levels was at 1000. It's broken that. Next is going to be around 900, then 872, and then 825. So if I can buy more at these prices, then this is a great way to increase your wealth over the long term, because you're buying at strategic prices, you're buying at lower lows. So these are my buying levels. So finally, what is my plan now? So my plan is still intact. I'm gonna continue to dollar cost average into Tesla shares and buy no matter what. I'm going to keep buying at the support levels, and finally, I'm not going to sell my position. For me, this is a forever stock. I'm going to keep it for at least 1000 days. I'm going to try and accumulate at least 300 shares, and if my calculations are correct, I should be able to make $1 million in 1000 days. So that's my plan for now. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Join me on my journey. Join me to see if I can build my position to 300 shares. Join me to see if I can keep this open for at least 1000 days, and join me to see if I can make $1 million in 1000 days. So finally, I appreciate any likes, and I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. I sincerely do. And until the next update, have a great day, and I wish you all the best.